Hi guys, in this video we will learn what is meant by checkmarks, the overview of checkmarks, and real time how checkmarks help us to find out the application repos vulnerability. Step by step we will check and let's see. So this is a checkmark official website. So checkmark is nothing but it's just finding the security points in your application and then just guide us how we resolve those. This security checkmark just helpful uh, when you just audit, when your application audit is there. So that time we need to cover all security points. So this is a one type of code security assistant which is helpful to find out the security vulnerabilities. Basically we have a front end or back end repo. So this checkmark application or this checkmark, it's helpful to find out those security vulnerability. So this is the official website. You just go through for more info. AppSec developer Cisco, here they are showing some problems how we can fix this. They also guide us, meet your new security team. So you can just refer this is a multiple scan inside the vulnerabilities. For example, SCA, container security, different types of vulnerabilities are there. We will go through in next slide. Okay, so this is a checkmarks official website. You can just go through for more information. I will add this inside the description box. I will add this link. Okay, now we just move to actual checkmarks. How means we have a multiple repos, right? Some front end or back end. So how checkmark works, what is the overview of checkmarks? In this video we will cover that. So once you just log in your checkmark application using company id, then the UI of checkmarks, first it's look like we have a one section like project. So inside the project all repos are showing display like application and project. So here multiple repos are display. Okay, so whatever repos having causes or having security vulnerability, those are listed over there. And second is a like risk level. So high, low, critical, you can just sort it based on the risk level. So first priority is like critical, then high, then medium, then low. But low is not considered much, but we need to first focus on critical, high, and then medium. Next section is like total vulnerability. So here if you see, suppose you can just select one repo. If you just over it, then you can just find it like there are 4 critical, 34 high, and 62 is medium. So this 3 is important to resolve because this is a colorful, and this 74 is not needed to cover. Last scan means when you push any changes into this repo, then automatically at backend one scan is running, and that scan showing like how much your vulnerabilities are resolved or not due to this commit. So this scan is running when you added something or when you push anything inside this repo. Okay, for example we just refer one repo. So here we have multiple repo, but we just reference purpose we just refer one. So here my this repo is showing 174 total vulnerabilities, right? And we need to resolve this. So inside this 4 is a critical, 34 is high, 62 is a medium. Now just go to the overview. If you just go to the overview, then you need to find out the exact vulnerability, because by default the branch is selected something different. Okay, and we need to select the branch like master, because in master branch we have merged all the latest code, right? For that reason we need to select the master branch, and based on the master branch we just clarify exact count for vulnerability. Okay, just loading. See, now my actual count is 338, and here if you see 4 critical, 34 is high, and 61 is a medium. We are not seeing the low and info level. So this is an overview of that. And the another section is like vulnerabilities by scan type. There are multiple scan is running backend, SAST, IAC, SCA, but and we need to check, suppose SAST. If you click over there, then in this scan, how many vulnerabilities are there? So total 61 is there, and this scan suggests like one is a medium only, so nothing any critical. As per the color, it's showing like one is a medium, so only one is a medium in this scan. Okay, here it's showing scan history also, compliance overview. Then you can just select ISC security, or mostly SCA. If you click on SCA just showing the critical one or something. So see, SCA scan is showing like this is a package and container images like this, and mostly this type of vulnerabilities are version related. If you see SCA scan, here we have a one high and one medium. Okay, so how we can find out this? For example, this one is high. In next video we already cover how to find it and how to resolve it. The summary is like most of the security vulnerabilities issues are based on the uh, just upgrade your package. We are using something low version, and we need to upgrade it, and we need to use the higher version. Okay, in this way you can just resolve those vulnerabilities. Okay, so this is overview. If you see the next part, next section, like scan, we have a scan query editor, project migration, SCA inventory and risk. So in this way you can just check, suppose if you check the scan, so we have a multiple scans over there. Okay, resource management, SCA or something, this is a scan, and this scan is running when you push your changes, then it's automatically run. Then how we resolve? When you started to resolve this, then first you just create a new branch against the master, and when you then push your changes, and here just select your repository, select the branch, whatever you created branch, they just select this branch and check whatever you push your commits. Based on that, is any vulnerabilities are resolved or not, just select this branch instead of master your branch, and just check vulnerabilities are resolved or not. Based on that, you can just add the changes or commit the changes. Okay, so this is the overview of exact check marks, what is meant by check marks, and how to find the vulnerability based on the repo. Similar way, in front end repo also you can just check to find the vulnerabilities, related vulnerabilities. Okay, I hope you understand everything in this video. If anything, just let me know through the comments. Okay, thank you guys.